Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to monetize Facebook account. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, if you want to monetize your Facebook account, well, this one is quite simple, but there are a few things that you need to know. Now, first things first is you want to enable a very specific setting first. So in this case, you want to open up Facebook here and just log in into your account. Now, at the top right of your screen, you should see your profile icon. Let's go and just press or click on it. Now, at the top right again, you want to go and click on the three-dotted icon. So let's go and just press or click on it. And in here, you want to go and just make sure to turn on what we call professional mode. So as you can see right now, it's going to be at the very bottom. So since I've already have this turned on, it should be by default says turn professional mode off. Again, it's going to first say turn professional mode on. Go ahead and select that, and that should turn on professional mode. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just basically close the app. So go ahead and just close the app, and you want to open up Facebook again. And again, you want to go and just click on your profile photo at the top right here. And in here, what we need to do next is you want to go and just click on dashboard. Now, inside dashboard, you want to go and just click on the monetize button or option at the very top here. Let's go and just click or press on it. And what we need to do is you want to go and just choose the following options. Now, there are different programs here that you could join, but there is what we call the eligibility criteria. Now, depending on your current progress, the amount of people that currently follows you, and depending on the number of content that you have, some programs may or may not be available, and it also depends on where you are. So some countries do not have access to certain monetization options here. So for example, for stars, if you click on it and click on the eligibility criteria here, these are what you need to meet. Like for example, you need to have at least like 500 followers and 500 followers for the 30 consecutive days. So meaning you need to meet the following criteria in order for you to basically start earning stars through this program here. But if you want to join what we call the content monetization here, well, there are a lot more that you need to meet. That you need to be at least 18 years old, resident in eligible country, have your page or profile for at least 30 days, and post at least 3 reels in the last 90 days, have at least like 10,000 followers, and get at least like 150,000 unique views over the last 28 days. So those are what you need to meet in here in order for you to monetize your content. And obviously, some, again, I'm gonna say before, some content are not yet, or some monetization options here are not yet available. So in this case, like for example, subscriptions is not yet available for me. You can go and just click on notify me so that they will be notifying you if subscriptions becomes available in your area or for your account. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.